Greetings and welcome to the channel. Today we will be explaining Neville Goddard's idea of consciousness and what consciousness is according to Neville Goddard. As always, I will be explaining everything in just 3 minutes, so let's not waste any time. Consciousness is the father which brings you closer to your desire and your manifestation, because via consciousness is how everything realizes into your reality. The love consciousness is what all creation is based upon. According to Neville Goddard, consciousness is the one and only reality, not figuratively, but actually. Now, this reality can be divided into 2 parts, the conscious and the subconscious. The conscious part is the part that generates ideas and impresses them into the subconscious. The subconscious part is the one that receives the ideas and expresses them. The conscious part is what Neville calls personal and selective, because you can choose what to impress it with, and the subconscious impersonal and non-selective, since each tries to express the ideas impressed by the conscious part. The subconscious part is not the one that originates the ideas, but it will accept as true and objectify the ideas that are felt true by the conscious part. Your subconscious, since it is not selective, does not care about if the feeling is true or false. It will accept as true what you believe to be true, and it will never alter the accepted beliefs. It will find ways to express them and to realize them into your world. So, as you realize, feelings play a major part in impressing the subconscious mind. This is exactly why Neville insisted on watching your moods and feelings. A negative thought can lead to a bad mood or a feeling that is felt as true, which can impress the subconscious negatively. So, if your conscious part cannot filter out this negative feeling, it will be impressed into the subconscious mind. Ideas are impressed on the subconscious through the medium of feeling. No idea can be impressed on the subconscious until it is felt, but once felt, be it good, bad, or indifferent, it must be expressed. The subconscious mind has no choice but to realize this negative feeling, which the conscious part impressed upon it, since it is impersonal and non-selective. Therefore, through his power to imagine and feel and his freedom to choose the idea he will entertain, man has control over creation. Control of the subconscious is accomplished through control of your ideas and feelings. And in case there are 2 feelings, the dominant will be expressed, unless it is neutralized by a more powerful feeling of an opposite nature. The dominant of 2 feelings is the one expressed. I am healthy is a stronger feeling than I will be healthy. To feel I will be is to confess I am not. I am is stronger than I am not. And that was the end of our video. If you enjoy this kind of content, you can always leave your suggestions and recommendations down in the comment section below. Also, you can always leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.